great night for football. The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical and technical analysis, it's Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable cause. It's Al-Nassr up against Arsenal.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
Well, a struggle to get it away properly. Firing it in. Possession one. Useful looking position, you've got to say. Can he finish? He knew he had to make the tackle and did. Di Maria. And it's gone out of play. Goal kick coming up. Bremer. Zule. Seko Fofana. Mikel Merino. Parejo. Martinez. Now Parejo. Clean challenge. Still level here, but the pressure escalating. Just wanted to get it out of there. And Diogo Costa with it. Mikel Merino. Di Maria. Martinez. Osimhen. Di Maria now. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. And back to the keeper. It should be! Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Martinez. On a clear foul, but the referee letting the play flow. Well, finally the whistle had to be sounded. Mikel Merino. Di Maria. 2 minutes of stoppage time coming up. Mbappe. Pele. So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match. Underway then in the second half. And the two teams matching each other just about stride for stride. Bremer. Pele. Rabiot. Osimhen. Possession lost. Bremer. Martinez. Nice looking pass. Interception to snuff out the danger. Victor Osimhen. Given away again. So a half an hour remaining. Osimhen. Pele. And a tidy challenge. Well, sloppy in possession. Bremer. Victor Osimhen. Alexandro. An encouraging Arsenal move. Can they forge ahead? Oh, that is a majestic goal! Volleyed home with precision and style. Superbly done.
Well, just look at this again. Great technique, perfect contact, and a brilliant finish. Top stuff.
What a big moment in the dying embers. Will it prove decisive here? Rabiot. Victor Osimhen. Mbappe. Plenty of support here, but nothing comes of it. Just 10 minutes remaining here. Seko Fofana. And forward they go, chasing the game. Arsenal get... This could be the equaliser. And he's outdone himself. Wonderful save there. Well, a corner it is, and they know they've got to be opportunistic at this stage of the game. And with play having stopped, a chance for the referee to go back and hand out the caution. So 2 substitutes to come on in one go. And the danger's still on. And a throw-in it's going to be. And the referee decides enough is enough. It's the end of the game. Arsenal victorious. That's the main headline from this one.
Well, Derek, it was a really tight game, but they were the better side over the 90 minutes, and they fully deserved their victory today.